So in this question, we need to find the area of this blue shaded region. For that, let us do a construction here. Join O to C and O to B. Using the property of tangents, we can say that AC will be perpendicular to OC. So this angle is 90 degree. Similarly, AB will be perpendicular to OB. So this angle will also be equal to 90 degree. Now if we see this quadrilateral ABOC, three angles are 90 degree. The fourth one will also be equal to 90 degree. Also, the radius is given as 14 units. So O to C, this length is also 14 units, and O to B will be 14 units. In short, we can see that quadrilateral ABOC is a square. Area of this shaded region will be equal to area of the square ABOC minus area of the sector subtending 90 degree at the center. So area of shaded region is equal to area of square minus area of sector. So area of square is side squared minus area of sector is theta upon 360 degree multiplied with pi times radius squared. Let us substitute the values. This side of square will be 14 units. So 14 squared minus theta here is 90 degree upon 360 degree multiplied with, in place of pi we can write 22 upon 7 times radius is 14, so we can write 14 times 14. Now 14 squared is 196 minus this 4 times, then 7 twice is 14, then 11 times, 7 times. So this will be 11 times 2 times 7. On simplifying, we will get 11 times 2 times 7 as 154. 196 minus 154 equals 42. So the area of shaded region, this blue region, is nothing but 42 square units.